Whoa! Can you run back? Okay. Woohoo! You're fast. Good job.
Don't even think about that. Don't do that. Don't even think
Whoa.
about it.
Hey, careful now. Slow down. Hi, Alex. Are you still running? Go, go, go. Hey, Alex and Curtis, what you guys talking about? Don't throw. Come here, Curtis. Let me. Whoa, look at you up there, Alex. Hey, be careful. Alex, be careful up there. Come back this way. That's pretty high, buddy. Take your time, kiddo. There you go.
Hi.
Woo! Nice catch. Okay, buddy. Turn around. Yeah, come back this way.